Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2009 ECE paper, and this question is related to microprocessor. In a microprocessor, the service routine for a certain interrupt starts from a fixed location of memory which cannot be externally set, but the interrupt can be delayed or rejected. Such an interrupt is called non-maskable and non-vectored interrupt, maskable and non-vectored interrupt, non-maskable and vectored interrupt, or maskable and vectored interrupt. So, for an interrupt, the service routine should start from a fixed location which can be set internally, and we cannot set externally the memory location. That is nothing but which will be having a fixed memory location for that service routine, for that interrupt which starts a service routine, and that interrupt is going to be delayed as well as rejected by that time. What is the type of interrupt? So in 8085 there are vectored interrupts, and the service routine for vectored interrupts starts from a fixed location of memory which cannot be externally set. So vectored interrupts are going to be starts from a fixed memory location which cannot be set externally, whose vectored interrupts are going to be few vectored interrupts are going to be indicated like this. These are the four important types of vectored interrupts. There are four important vectored interrupts. First one is nothing but trap. First one is trap, and the second one is nothing but RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5. So these four are going to be vectored interrupts. For them, the service routine is going to be starting from a fixed memory location. That memory location for trap is 0024H. So whenever a trap interrupt is going to be raised, at that time the service routine at 0024 is going to be invoked. And for RST 7.5, at that time the address location is 003CH, and for RST 6.5 it is 0034H, and RST 5.5 is 002CH. So these are the fixed memory locations for these interrupts. So they are going to be called as vectored interrupts. These four vectored interrupts are going to be having a fixed memory location, but out of these four, only the below three, that is RST 7.5, 6.5 and 5.5 are going to be called as these three are going to be, these interrupts can be either delayed or rejected. The interrupts generated by these three things can be either delayed or can be rejected also. Whenever any interrupt which can be delayed or rejected, they are going to be called as maskable interrupts. So RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5 interrupts, they are going to be vectored as well as maskable interrupts. So they will be starting from a fixed memory location, so that they are going to be called as vectored interrupts, and these interrupts can be either delayed or rejected, so that they are also called as vectored interrupts. So the right answer for this question is D, maskable and vector interrupts. These are going to be treated as maskable and vectored interrupts. Whereas this one is going to be a special one which cannot be masked, so it is called as non-maskable but vectored interrupt, because which is going to be starting from a fixed memory location, so it is called as vectored, but it cannot be masked. Once it is invoked, definitely it will do its duty. It will stop the microprocessor and it will do its duty. So it is non-maskable and vectored, whereas the below three are going to be maskable and vectored. So in the question it was given that one, the service routine for the interrupt should start from a fixed memory location, and also it can be delayed as well as rejected. So the type of interrupt is going to be called as maskable and vectored. The example for this one is RST 7.5, 6.5 and RST 5.5. So the option is D is right. Thank you.